Hi guys, Darren from Venom Fluid Art. Thank you so much for joining me today on the Fluid Art Express. Up first we had Taslima from Taslima Maya Art. After me we have Kristey from Creations by Kristey. Then Shannon from ShanB Fluid Art. Bubbles from Venom Fluid Art. And last but not least, Tony the Hippy Dippy Painter Man. So stay on board and enjoy the ride. Okay. Today, I thought I'd have a little bit of a play with some different coloured cell activators. So I've gone ahead and made up a few during the week that are all different cool colours, like blues and reds and silvers and stuff like that. And I figured we'd just have a little bit of a play with them. So, I've got a 8-inch cradled round there that I've made up. So they're all homemade. What I'm going to do is use my little palette knife, which is only this little dude, and we'll put some cool swipes across it with just cell activator. So that is a Senshi Red by Eye Candy that I'm using as a cell activator. Now I'm just going to put some crazy weird patterns through it. So we'll go with that one for the red. I've got a couple of different blues, I've got silvers, a whole heap that I've made up here. So we'll just go through them all and see which ones look pretty cool. So we'll go with a blue. Which is this one. So that's the blue. So I'm just going to put that there. I think we'll go with a what shall I use? What shall I use? I've got a silver. I might put some silver down. That. Purple. That purple's a gorgeous colour. So, don't know whether you can see that in this light, but beautiful sparkly purple cell activator. Alright, so we'll start with those for the cell activators. So that's virtually a little backdrop for another swipe over the top. So I'm just going to lay some colours down in the middle of all that. So that's a plastic pink by Eye Candy. Super, super bright. Go with a neon yellow, but I've added 10 karat gold by Eye Candy to it. So you've now got a really nice sparkly blingy yellow. Ooh, that's bright. So that sparkles in the light. Go with a purple, which I've customed. So that's the purple. And I think we'll put down some Okinawa blue. Like that. Okie dokie. Now what I'm going to do is get my black selectivator. Stick that on my swipe tool. That. Let all the cells pop up. Now I'm going to grab my little skewer, which is this guy, and I'm just going to put some crazy patterns through it. Break up some of the darker selectivator, like that. Alright, so we've got something that looks like that. So we'll give that one a bit of a spin and see what happens. So we go for the center of the spinner. About there. Yep, that's it. Spin that one out. A little bit more. Now it's pretty cold here at the moment, so all the paints are quite thick, like really thick compared to what they usually are. So it does make it a little bit harder for everything to move around a bit. Just pop some bubbles. Like that. Alright, we'll pop that one up. Let's see how it turned out. So what I'll do is I'll do a flyover of that so you can see it a little bit better. These lights are pretty average for doing that, so I'll do a flyover of that. And you should be able to see all the cool colours and blingy bits in it. So then once that's done, I'll press pause and we might do another quickie. Why not? Okie dokie, round 2. So, what I'm going to do this time is use a bigger palette knife. Put some gold activator down. That. I think we might grab our blue cell activator. Just add some of that. Like so. And I'll put some ShanB red down. Quite like that. Loads of bling in it when it's on, like, all lit up. Like that. Alright, we'll put some colours down if I can find them in amongst this pile of cell activators now. So that was a pink. We've actually got some ShanB red. Got some of that crazy Diox purple. Yellow. We've got UFO green. And I might go with a pink. Now, what I'm going to do this time is use the little palette knife and we'll use different coloured selectivators for our swipe. So we'll go with the blue again. Like that. And go. Drag that out there. and the purple Activator to the other side. Like so. Grab our little magic skewer again. Like that. We'll give it a spin. Let's see what happens. Scrape some of this black off here first. Okay, so are we in the middle? Almost. So what I'll usually do is give that a bit of a spin. Have a look. That looks pretty cool. If you want to adjust anything, now's the time to do it. Well, there's still a load of pillow paint down. Bada boom, bada bing, done. So we'll pop that one up. I'll do a flyover of it so you can see it a little bit better. And don't forget to wipe off underneath, because you don't want all them drips distorting all the top design of your little painting that you've just done. Alright, put that to one side, torch some bubbles. And there you go, we've got two really cool swipes where we've just put Cell Activator down first to get some extra colours into it. And that looks pretty cool. Alright, up next we've got Kristey from Creations by Kristey. So if you click on her name in the title of this video, it'll take you directly to her YouTube channel. If you're in the live chat, just click on the link that I put in there and it'll take you directly to her premiere. Or if you've been in my Facebook group, Paint Pouring by Venom Fluid Art, there'll be a playlist link in there. Just click on that and it'll play everybody on the Express, one after another. Alright guys, if you like that, please hit like, share and subscribe. Ring that notification bell, as it helps me with that stupid YouTube algorithm. Yeah, that is it from me today. If you've got any questions, just drop them in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Alright guys, have fun, take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.